Hi everyone, my name is Irina and welcome to my channel. I'm a spiritual guide, professional tarot reader, and I also consult on healthy lifestyle, veganism and raw veganism. But today I have a tarot spread for you, and it will be about where your relationship with your partner at this moment are heading. And as always, I want to mention this is a general reading, so take whatever resonates with you. And if you want a specific reading that tailored to your situation, feel free to contact me for a personal reading. All the information you can find on my website, urinachi.com, or you can email me at contact@urinachi.com for more information. Okay, let's go to the reading. So today you have these beautiful antique gems, and this is for group number 1, this is for group number 2, and this is for group number 3. Please take a second and choose the one that speaks to you the most, and then use the timestamp and skim to the reading for your group. Okay, group 1, let's see what in cards for you. Okay, 6 of Cups, Justice, and 8 of Wands. Okay, group 1. So let's see. I see for you this relationship with lots of fun and enjoy, and this is a lot of emotional. You feel great, happy, cheerful, joy, lots of excitement. Maybe you have lots of great time in this relationship. It's all beautiful and sweet and loving for you. But I also find a little bit sense of you enjoyed at the moment. Apart from your partner, I feel they more seriously evaluating where this relationship is going, how they see the future. Is there a future with you, or is there isn't? And I think they really way more serious about this relationship at this moment than you are. You, I feel, is more about having a good time rather than they are really study about, is there a real future? Is there forever ever after for in this relationship? They're really more serious about what is going on between you. And what comes to the future, potential future for your relationship, I see that there is 8 of Wands represent excitement and action. So I see that perhaps there will be some acceleration in your relationship. Very well, it might be caused by your partner, since they're more I feel like they're more involved in this relationship in terms of they really truly evaluate, is this is the real thing, or is this a thing that fit for them for a long term. So I see some action happening in a closer future. There's also a card for some news, some messages, but I see that your relationship has potential to really grow deeper, and maybe you will feel more connected, so your connection might expand more and your relationship can be deepened within a very short period of time. Group 2, let's see what's in cards for you. Strength, Death, and 9 of Cups. Okay, group 2, so let's see. I see that in this relationship you have a role of, well, first of all, to me it seems that now you're going through certain situation in your relationship, like maybe certain turbulence or maybe some issue. So I feel that you are the one who, if that's the case, I feel you're the one who's fighting for this relationship rather than another person, and maybe you feel like another person is giving up a little bit. So if that's the case and you do going through maybe a fight or maybe through a difficult situation in your relationship, I feel that for you it really takes a lot of strength. What your card is for strength, that you are the one who's trying to make things work, who's trying to fix things, rather than I feel your partner is more about they may be considering terminating the relationship, or they not really actively participate into work on the relationship. I feel like you are the more you're the person who cares more, if that makes sense. You're the person who really fights for this relationship. What comes to where this relationship heading, very interesting, because For you and your partner, it's kind of dramatic card, but for where the future of your relationship is Nine of Cups, which symbolize prosperity and indulgence in luxuries and wealth, which symbolize its cups stable, happy, emotional stage. So either your relationship will transform and you will overcome the difficult situation and you will gonna come to peace together, or you will gonna come to peace apart. And I understand that maybe this is not the answer that you're looking for, because usually when people ask where this relationship headed, they want to know either you stay together or you're not. And in this particular situation, card doesn't give me that answer, but what they give me is, regardless of the outcome, if you're in a difficult situation with your partner right now, you will be emotionally satisfied. The outcome will be the one that will satisfy for you. So the one that feels right for you, that the way it will gonna proceed with this connection. Overall, I feel that you should do what's right. If you feel like you need to fight for this relationship, you definitely should. And I see that you will be emotionally stable and calm and satisfied in your future, in your closer future, regarding your relationship. I see that you will be comfortable. So whatever brings your comfort, ask yourself, is it being by yourself will finally bring you comfort? If this was a very difficult relationship for quite some time and sometimes you feel exhausted, or will bring you comfort to actually overcome the difficulties and stay together with the partner. So whichever it is, this the outcome that will gonna happen for you. Group 3, let's see what's in cards for you. High Priestess, Nine of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles. Okay, group 3, so let's see. In this situation, in your relationship, I feel you're the type of person who private and you really listen to yourself and you don't really like to share your relationship that much with the outside world. And on the contrary, I feel like your partner is a different situation. They the one who really like to talk about your relationship, or maybe they discuss your relationship with their friends and family. So I feel that there is a difference between you two on that matter. I also feel that now maybe you evaluating if this relationship, you're trying to understand, listen to yourself, you're trying to understand how you feel within this relationship. What comes to your partner, I feel that they're very sturdy and stable in this connection with you, in their attitude toward you, in their feelings toward you. But I do feel, I do see other people around the person, and maybe other people who give him advices or suggestions what comes to your relationship, which maybe you don't really like, because you're the type of person who like to make their own decision and listen to them, to yourself only. What comes to outcome of your relationship, where relationship you're heading, I see that it's very sturdy, have a good ground. You dedicated in this relationship, perhaps you connected, you have a financial, or let's say material base that holds you together very well. Overall, I see you developing together. I see that this relationship is sturdy, and they will develop and flourish over time even more. Or if this is a long-term relationship, I see that you're going strong together. I see dedication there, and overall, yes, you will continue work on the relationship. To me, I have a feeling that this is more of a long-term relationship, and this will definitely continue for a long term of quite some time. So here was the end for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Again, this was a general reading, and take just whatever resonates with you. And if you want a personal reading that is tailored specifically and uniquely to your situation, feel free to contact me for a personal reading at email me, contact@untitled.com, or you can find more information at untitled.com. And hopefully you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Bye.